Most mothers, they unknowingly get into depression, they get into health issues while managing the mundane everyday household activities. You know why? They've got the laundry to keep up with, bills to pay, meals to plan, kids upbringing, tending to in laws, and of course, staying on top of cleaning. Home management can get stressful and overwhelming pretty quick. And it can be even more challenging if you're a working mom or a stay at home mom who's chasing little ones around all day. I know, I've done both, and trying to keep up with the household chores is not easy as it looks to the world outside. It was pathetic. I didn't feel like getting out of bed in the morning, especially when you're ambitious and feel like you're not born to do these things. And heck, who likes to do these things, by the way? The reason we burn out is because we are doing things we don't like on a daily basis in the old fashioned self sabotaging way. Because no one told us the smart way. That's where this masterclass is going to help you. Hi there, Pankhuri here. I want to welcome you to this exclusive masterclass page specially for moms, and I just want to tell you what I discovered when I took charge of my life. I realized that I am a human, not just a mom. I don't need to try so hard to be perfect. I don't need to be on my feet all day, running around like a crazy, maintaining all the stuff and being the people pleaser, while missing out on the point, the purpose of being alive. I made my plan. I decluttered my house of all the excess that we collected over the decades but had kept it stored, just in case. Then I reorganized the things we loved that made our life easy. I set my boundaries with others. I simplified everything. And you know what happened? I had me time. I had space and energy for what actually mattered. Tell me, are you lacking me time too and living a zombie life? Living but dead? Struggling and surviving each day just to feel sluggish, fatigued, anxious, and tired, overthinking about the next day? You need the super organized mom formula. Overcome the guilt, self-doubt, shame, blame, and self-criticism and start living a calm, cheerful, and successful life now. It's going to be a 90-minute session where I'm going to walk you through step by step, and all I want you to do is make sure that you're there and you are attending this particular masterclass. Click on the button, register for free, and I'll see you live inside. Peace.